All right, we got a new video coming at you. We got $25 mystery box exotic snacks. Sabu likes it. Oh yeah, let's check it out. We got Lay's Magic Masala. It looks good. Peeling soft candy, green grape. That looks really good. Ooh, we got zero sugar, lime flavored, zero caffeine Pepsi. That sounds good too. Zero sugar. And then we got Hello Panda strawberry crunchy cookies. And we got a Kit Kat crunchy bar. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Gotta try those. And then we got one of these things. These are really good. Rock candy on the stick. Oh yeah, I think this was good. This was definitely worth it. Yeah. Cause this shit was expensive separately. I feel like to get each thing separately costs a little bit more. Yeah, let's try that one first. You gotta try this too. Let's see. I'm gonna try this double chocolate Kit Kat.
You still filming?
Yeah. Say hello to Momski. Oh, you want to say hello?
Hi. Too busy eating candy.
All right. Try something else. I'm gonna save the soda for later, and the rock candy. I'm gonna try everything else though. Let's try this peeling candy.
Here.
No, this is really good smelling. Oh my god. This looks so good. Here.
Tried it already?
No, it just smells so good. I think you can.
Sticky.
Yeah, it's hard to get out, but it's not impossible.
I don't know if I want this. Might pull off one of my crowns.
No, it's not my problem. How do you eat it? It says there's a method.
Chew it.
Method 1, eat it. Method 2, pinch the top and tear it apart on both sides. I'm gonna try that.
I think that's funny. It's like string cheese, I guess.
Oh no. It's peelable though, I guess. It's hard to get out of the damn package. Oh, I can see it now. There's like two. Yeah, it has like an outer coating. Look at that. Interesting. That's good. All right, let's try this. Funky Kit
I
Kat.
see what you're saying.
Yeah, has a core.
It's like rolled.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Interesting.
All right,
Yeah,
the
the-
final one is Lay's Magic Masala. What do you want?
Turn on Wheel of Fortune.
Yeah, after this
And
couple
so-
bites. Oh, I'm still recording.
Oh,
That's really good.
you try one.
It's like the chicken, the Indian chicken. Chicken tikka. It's spicy. Yeah, I don't think you would like it.
Okay.
Too spicy for you?
Yes.
It's pretty spicy.
I need a piece of chocolate.
Mm.
Why did you give that to me?
Well, I didn't realize until after.
It was super spicy.
Sorry. Trying to get your chocolate. Oh no! Here we go.
And the other one.
There is none of that.
Oh.
I'll give you a whole piece. It is spicy.
Wheel of Fortune.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Another good video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.